Hi, I'm going to talk to you about Phase 4 of the Letters and Sounds programme. So by this time the children will know a grapheme for each of the 42 phonemes. They'll also be able to blend CVC sounds into words, for example ig, dig, and then also they'll be able to segment CVC words to be able to spell them. For example, they want to write the word hop, hop, op. They'll also have begun to read simple two-syllable words such as lap, top or lunch box. And they'll also be able to read simple captions using those sounds. For example, a big fat cat or a man in the mud. And these would incorporate the tricky words that they've also been learning to read. Okay. The main aim of Phase 4 is that the children are consolidating their knowledge. They are not introduced to any new graphemes. What they do learn to do is to learn to read and spell words which have adjacent consonants, such as t, ip, trip, or f, ick, flick. Okay. So by the end of Phase 4, the children will be able to give the sound when shown to any Phase 2 or 3 grapheme. They will be able to find any Phase 2 or 3 grapheme when they're given the sound. They'll also be able to blend and read words which have adjacent consonants. They'll also be able to segment and spell words which have adjacent consonants, such as spell, sp, or trip, ip. Okay. They'll also be able to read the new tricky words that they're introduced to in Phase 4, and they'll be able to spell all of the Phase 2 and 3 tricky words as well as reading them this time. And finally, by the end of Phase 4, they will also be able to correctly write each letter of the alphabet, usually using the correct letter formation. So now what I'll do is show you some examples of the sounds and also the tricky words that they need and some of the adjacent consonant words, and introduce you to some of the things that the children will be looking at in Phase 4.